Hey guys, welcome back to another part of Best Free KLWP themes, where I show you the best themes that is available on the Play Store for free. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. Open KLWP and see the description of the theme that you want to apply, and note down the number of pages and tap on the icon which says screen count, and then make the x equal to the number of pages and leave the y to 1 and apply. Thirdly, create the same number of blank pages in your home screen and turn on the wallpaper scrolling. That's all you need to do to apply the theme properly on your home screen. So the first theme is called Empty Styles for KLWP. It's got 4.4 rating in Play Store, and there are 15 different themes to choose from, and some of the themes are better than the paid themes as well. As you can see here, the themes are hands down one of the best themes collection that are available right now on the Play Store. One of the best thing is that you can customize the themes and export the presets. And there is so much attention to details here that you can see while using the presets. The second pack is called Orion for KLWP. This got 4.2 stars in the Play Store. There are 13 themes to choose from this pack. The themes are based on geometric shapes like square, rectangles and triangles, and also more, which makes it unique to look at. You can customize the preset and make it as you want. This is another stunning app from a very talented developer, and you should definitely give it a try because it's absolutely free. The next pack is called Random KLWP. It's got 5 stars in the Play Store, from which you can understand the potential of this pack. It's one of the newest KLWP packs that are available in the Play Store, and it's a hidden gem. The pack contains 3 presets, but each of them are excellent. It has rounded material shape theme going throughout the pack, which makes it look modern and very satisfying. So if you love the rounded edge shapes and the material design, then definitely check it out from the link in the description. The fourth theme is called Smooth for KLWP and has 4.9 rating in Play Store. There is only one theme in this pack, but you can make it look like different theme by customizing the theme. As you can see here, the theme has a single page in which you get all the requirements, which makes it more productive. So if you liked the look of this theme, then definitely give it a try. At last but not the least, we have a pack that is called Minimus. It's got 4.5 rating in the Play Store, and as you can understand from the name, this theme is based on minimalism. I actually prefer minimal setups over others, so this is my favorite theme among the list. There are 2 presets in the theme, but both of them are amazing to look at, especially if you have an AMOLED screen. I can certainly say that it's better than some of the paid themes as well. So if you like me and love minimal themes, then don't miss out this one. With that being said, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you have any problems regarding to the setup, please let me know down the comments, and also let me know your favorite theme among these. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Peace out.